Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Source Labs mobile application, API application through Appium Inspector. For that, guys, just download this APK app, click on it. It will download the APK app, which is around 24 MB. It will take a little bit of time. Then what do? You add Appium device name, Appium platform name, and also you add the location of the app. The app is sourcelabs.apk. Click on save. You'll get this. So only thing you need is device name, platform name, automation name, and app location. So once you have downloaded this app and once you have given the path, device name, and automation name, just click on start session. Okay. Once you click on start session, it should now install the sourcelab.apk file in this emulator. It has now installed the source lab file. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.